Happy Monday, everybody, and this is especially a happy day because this is the International Day of Happiness, March 20th, for those of you that's going to be hearing this recording later on. My name is Edwin Edebiri, and I am the Chief Happiness Officer with the I Am Happy Project and also the Happy Neighborhood Project. I want to say thank you to each and every one of you for joining us this morning. Now, I do this call every Monday with the hope of helping you start the week on a foundation of happiness, to be able to look forward to Monday just as most people look forward to Friday. Because if you are excited and your foundation is on happiness, guess what? You're going to be more creative, more productive, more resilient, more a lot of stuff, more healthy, and just overall more happy person, okay? So that's what I do this call for, to help you to build the whole week on a foundation of happiness, to start thinking about happiness and your happiness, the happiness of the people around you, the happiness of the whole community. And so that is what this call is about. And today is a very special day, and it's going to be a different call because usually I mute out everybody, and then I do my whole talk or I interview somebody that shares some nuggets. But today is going to be different. I'm going to open the line, and I'm going to engage you guys. So please, I want to hear what you are doing today. So I'm just going to share the first thing, of course, I wanted to start with. I went and looked at Google Doodle for today, and they have a beautiful doodle. They have the first day of spring. But I want everybody on this call and to connect with other people, and let's see if before the end of the day that Google can change this to reflect the International Day of Happiness. Okay, this is only one day a year, and I would have really, really thought that Google would have had their doodle to reflect the International Day of Happiness, but they did not. First day of spring is still exciting, so we are still happy about that. But let's see if we can do that, And so we're going to have two hashtags for today. One is going to be Google Doodle. I think if I spell it correctly, please, if it's not, let me know. That's Doodle. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So we're going to hashtag Google Doodle, and then we're going to hashtag Day of Happiness. So those are going to be the two hashtags that we are going to use today, Google Doodle and Day of Happiness. And let's see if Google people will see that or get to see. And I don't know how quickly they change this, if they can even change it within the day or not. But this is Google, so we're going to see what happens. Let's just have some fun with it. So that's one thing that I want to really encourage everybody to participate today. And let's see if we can encourage Google to change their doodle to Day of Happiness. And if they are not able to reach it, but at least we have some fun, in the process of doing it. So we have two hashtags for today. One will be hashtag, and for those of you that are not familiar with hashtag, that is # and then and then whatever you're writing. So hashtag Day of Happiness and hashtag Google Doodle. So those are going to be the two hashtags for throughout today. And the whole idea is to see if we can get Google to change their doodle to Day of Happiness. So that's one thing I want to share. The second thing I want to share, folks, if you have not already made a decision, I want to encourage you to use today as a reflection that you are going to be happy. You just make a decision that you are going to be happy for the rest of your life, and that there's nothing that's going to change that. And not even you, okay? Don't even get in your own way. And because everybody I come across now, and especially those that know that I'm the Chief Happiness Officer, the first thing they're going to tell me is, happiness is a choice. Happiness is a decision, and all this kind of stuff. So if that's the case, then I am encouraging you, no matter what's going on in your life right this very moment, to make a decision that you are going to be happy. Now, understand this, folks. This is a fundamental thing that will make it a lot easier for you. Just because you make a decision to be happy doesn't mean you don't have challenges. Doesn't mean you are no longer human. Happiness is an emotion. So I'm just encouraging you to feel that emotion and to enjoy that emotion and to manage that emotion.
5 minutes
And so somebody is kind of talking on the background. I don't want to mute the call, but I may have to. So if we can focus on this call, please. And so basically, I want to encourage you to just make a decision today, and then you have a frame of reference. You can always come back to, oh yeah, it was March 20th, 2017 that I made a decision that I was going to be happy for the rest of my life. And you'll be surprised how effective that is, because now, anything that you're doing, you can quickly check, would it be something that a happy person would do? And if it's not, then quickly make the adjustment, and have some posters, have some signs that you can put around your house, around your work, that can help you to stay on track, and that can also help other people to help you. Okay, somebody brought up, in the conference that we did on Saturday on the International Day of Happiness when we were celebrating it, that some people use curse word around them and they don't like that and stuff like that. So if they start to share that, and then people will know, and they will not come close to them with those kind of stuff. So when you make a decision that you're going to be happy, then what's going to happen is let everybody know, and they're going to help you because they know you've made a decision. You'll be surprised how they don't bring negative news to you as much anymore. They only bring positive news to you. They only bring happy news to you because you are sending out signal that, hey, that's what my receptor is going to accept. If it's not happy news, then my receptor is not going to pick that. But that's a decision you have to make. And then you have to follow it up by educating people around you. So that's the second thing that I want to kind of leave for today is make the decision that you're going to be happy for the rest of your life and use today as a reference point. If you're already a happy person, then that's fine. Just continue being who you are, okay? But if you're not happy as much as you would like, then let today be the defining moment, for you. Okay, so that's the second thing. The third thing that I want to kind of share is, you pick up something, just one thing that you are going to do today that's going to shine some happiness on somebody else. Something that you're going to do before today is out that's going to shine happiness on somebody else. That's going to make somebody else a little bit happy. Whether it's just going to make them smile, it's going to make them realize, hey, you know what, I can decide to be happy myself. Just something that you can do, some kind of action that you are going to take that's going to make somebody else a little bit happier today. And then one easy way, and I did this in the elevator coming to my office this morning. As most of you know, we are in a 25-story building on the 16th floor, so I get to ride with a lot of people, okay? I just reminded people, hey, do you guys know that today is the United Nations Day of Happiness? And they go, oh, we didn't know that? Wow, that's cool. And then one person say, wow, especially on a Monday, that's a good day to be on Monday, And so we just kind of joke about it, and you can obviously say their facial expression changes. They were smiling their face. And then one of them was leaving, and he said, hey, I'm going to definitely remember it for the rest of the day and keep myself in check, And so just that little thing. So remind at least one person. Just remind at least one person that today is the official International Day of Happiness. And then the last thing that I want to kind of share, and then I'm going to open to kind of see how you guys are going to do today, is find something to pay forward to somebody else. Just find something that you can pay forward, and it's going to make you happier, and it's going to make them happier. And it doesn't have to be something major, but just find something that you can pay forward today for somebody. So in other words, engage someone. So that will be exciting. All right. So I want you guys to share. I gave you plenty of time to think about what you're going to do. So somebody can just share with me, what are you going to do today in your neck of the wood to make this day a little bit happier for you or for somebody else?
This is Dr. Linda, and I'm going to see patients today, and I'm going to help them transform their pain into happiness, whether it's physical pain, emotional pain, or spiritual pain. And I'm also going to a medical meeting tonight. I don't know what the letter stands for, but it's an AIHM meeting with alternative healthcare practitioners of different types, and I'm going to tell them that it's the International Day of Happiness, and maybe we'll take a moment to feel happiness and share that with each other.
That is awesome. Thank you very much. Yes. All right. Good job, Dr. Linda. Who else?
It's Gwendolyn.
Yes.
Hi. Happy International Day of Happiness. Oh, I love that. Happy Day of Happiness.
Are we focusing on happiness or what?
The double dip.
All right. Go for it.
I had already had scheduled for some weeks a spiritual channeling event that I lead called the Quantum Sync, and I will make sure to mention that there. And the angels told me that they have prepared a picnic festival for us tonight to celebrate the auspiciousness of the day.
That is awesome. Cool. Yes. All right. Who else? Okay, we've got a lot of people on this call, folks. You got to come up with something. What are you going to do today to help celebrate the International Day of Happiness? If your line is mute, you got to unmute it. Otherwise, I will not hear you. Go ahead.
Hi, Edwin. It's Genevieve from Tahoe.
Yes. How are you?
I'm doing well. So I'm going to post on Facebook the I Am Happy, event that, today's International Day of Happiness. And I'm going to post an exercise from Avatar about how to create happiness.
National.
All right. Genevieve, good to hear your voice.
Happy.
I haven't heard your voice in a long time. Cool.
I know. I've been living up in Tahoe, spreading the love up here.
That is awesome.
National
All right.
happiness.
Good job. Okay, so anybody else want to share what they're planning to do today to put a smile on somebody's face, or for them, for yourself?
Yes, I got something to say. I will say, even I'm in West Palm Beach, Florida, I will say to them people, in spite of the snow, it's still a go for a National Happiness Day. So keep
super
warm.
Cute. Super
keep
cute.
Warm.
I like that.
Keep warm.
Keep warm, right.
Even though it's cold. Keep warm even though it's cold. It's still a go for National Happiness Day.
All right. Thank you very much. Folks, again, this is the one thing that I've learned since 2009 that I focus on just the subject of happiness is that a lot of the things that make us happy are really very simple things. Very simple things. And most of the things are free. It doesn't even cost money, like your smile. So please, make extra efforts to be happy because the world expects you to be happy. You are a major part of the whole puzzle. Without you, it is not complete. It doesn't matter the way you think about yourself. You have to understand your role in this world is very critical. And so if the world cannot feel your smile, then the world is missing. Not just you missing, the world is missing. So you are a part and parcel of what makes this human being work and the human existence work. And so you deserve to be happy, and I wish you happiness. So let's kind of close with this, folks. Again, everything we focus on grow, and we want happiness to grow in our life. And so I'm going to count to 2, and we're all going to say, Happy Day of Happiness. 1, 2.
Happy Day
of Happiness.
Happiness.
All right.
Happy.
Thank you, guys. Happy Monday to everybody.
Happy Monday to you, too.
Thank you.